Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today again. I'm getting ready to do a quick DIY. I need to get this done before everyone gets home and so I can have dinner ready. This is going to be a DIY of Centerpiece. It's going to be roses because of course we all know Valentine's is upon us. It's almost here. And so what you're going to need for this project is a Dollar Tree cylinder, diamond wrap, roses, and already got started, but you're going to need one of the tiny round, well not tiny, I guess this is the medium size round foam ball. You will need the gold and the silver diamond wrap. You will need your glue gun and glue stick. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will like this video and give me a thumbs up if you do. Share with your family and friends, only if you like the videos, because I wouldn't want you to promote something that you don't like. So I encourage you to decide to become a subscriber and have fun with us here on this channel. Become a part of our family. I try to do a DIY every day so that we can hang out and have fun. Sometimes chit chat. Alright, so let's jump right in. I believe I may incorporate some baby's breath in there, and these are the Dollar Tree ones, so they're not really the real ones. And let's go. I have my little Ziploc bag. I try to keep all my diamond wraps in here. Well, I keep them by color. So I went ahead and wrapped the cylinder. You can find these anywhere and everywhere. Ross sells them, Michael sells them, Joanne sells them, but you can make your own for a whole lot less, okay? So I added all of them, and as you can see, you can tell that I attached them so that they would go all the way through to the bowl, not bowl, but cylinder. So I need to disguise that. And you guys know I love mixing the colors, the gold and the silver together. I do have red, but I'm going to skip using red today, the diamond wrap, because I'm already going to use the red roses. I'm going to find my back, lay my glue down. Okay, so you guys know that I don't always put the glue all the way around. I just put it where I really need it, and I just needed to cover up that spot where the diamond wrap joint. And one of the reasons why I'm not adding too much glue to this, I'm not keeping it permanently, and I don't want to ruin my diamond wrap either. So because once Valentine's is over, these are coming off so I can use my cylinder again. Now, I've got a piece of diamond wrap that I cut out into a diamond shape. I'm going to do the same with my gold because I want to layer it. The difference is I'm going to use 3. This one I have 5, and I'm going to use 3 on this one. And possibly I should have used 4. Let's see if I can make it work. Okay guys, I'm going to put you on pause, put this together so I do not run out of time, because I want to be able to share with you how I put the roses together. So let me go ahead, figure this out, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead, cut out the shapes, the diamond shapes of the gold and the silver, outlined them, and there is the design. Okay, so now we're going to put this to the side, and I'm going to finish up my roses. First thing you want to do with your foam, you want to make sure you put all your roses into the hole where you want them to go, and then after you like what you see, you just pop them out and lay your glue down, and then you can pop them back in. So, just like that. So I want to go ahead and do all of that, come back, show you how I am going to add my baby's breath to add some whites, just like that. So you're just going to randomly follow the circle of your ball, then remove them, and then fill the holes in with your glue so they're on permanently. If you don't want them on permanently, then don't bother to take them off and seal them. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so I started the process with my baby's breath. Just randomly place them wherever you want them to go, and that's it. Then we can decide to put our roses on top of our base. Now, I don't think I mentioned it in the beginning. Oh, let's get some in here. I didn't mention it in the beginning, but I believe I want to put this on a pedestal. As I was looking at the arrangement, I think I'd like it to be a little tall versus just being down on the table like this. I believe I want to elevate it a bit. I think that's good because I don't want to overpower this with lots of white. I want to keep it mainly red. Okay, so now I need to mention to you guys that you must leave, don't cover the entire thing, because you must leave a place for your glass, for you to sit your glass on, okay? So just cover it all the way until you get to a certain part. You're gonna lay your glue down onto the rim of your glass. Before I do that, let's get the base that I want. This is the base I want, and I want to elevate it. So let's do that. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead add some diamond wrap on the base of the candle holder because I wanted to have the whole thing coming down in the diamond wrap. Glued the top on to the cylinder, and I love it. I hope you guys just absolutely love the way it looks. You've got one sticking out. I think it's cute. I love it. Guys, if you do, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. If this is something that you would recreate. If you love it, share it with your family and friends. This is Valentine's, so of course we're sharing the love. I hope you will recreate this for your home for Valentine's to be your table centerpiece. Guys, thank you so much for your support. I truly, truly appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you guys, talking with you guys every day. So I hope this is a pleasure and a fun time when you get to watch the videos. I will see you on my next video tomorrow.